Greetings everyone, Zagatech FX. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are around the world. Still remaining your boy Zagatech FX, and today we are going to proceed with our lectures on support things. So today we are going to talk about support, using support as a stop loss, and using the previous high as take profit, or using resistance as a stop loss and using the previous low as what a take profit. Alright, with no further ado, let's dive into the main thing and for us to talk more on this stuff. Alright, let's dive into the actual stuff. As you guys are seeing these pictures here, stop loss for what? Sell trade. Stop loss goes just above what? The high made by the market just prior to the what? Sell signal. Alright, now let me explain. Support and resistance areas are excellent places to put your stop loss, guys. Now, when you're in a sell trade and you want the market to drop, putting your stop loss just above the most recent area of resistance is the safest place to do your stop loss. When a market is moving down or is trending downwards manner, it is going to make a progressively a lower high and a lower lows. So which means that every time the market pops up, it is not going to do move up as high as the previous high, guys. So having your stop loss above this area, above this level in a sell position is the safest place to manage your risk. So if you have this sell signal here, your stop loss comes in here on the swing high. You have this signal here too. This is where you put your stop loss. This is your sell signal. This is where you put your stop loss. So you don't just put your stop loss, make it so tight, guys. You don't have to make your stop loss so tight that it will do what? It will just take you out immediately. So what you need to do now is to do what? Put your stop loss little bit above the swing high, which is the resistance. And also, something applicable to here, something applicable to this area too. So this is a sell signal where you can put your where you can enter your trade. As I said in the beginning of the video, you can put your stop loss and use the lower last swing here as your take profit. So if you put your take profit here, this will give you at least 25 pips. You're out of the market. Don't just stay in the market if you're a scalper or if you're intraday trader. Now, another sell signal where you another swing and a sell signal here where you put your take profit is below this swing here. This is a swing here. So your take profit is here, and we have also a swing here too, guys. It says buy signal. We also have a swing here. So this is where you put your stop take profit. Is something applicable to this area too? You don't put it close to it. You take it a little bit far, at least 3 or 4 pips or 5 pips, a little bit away from it. And this is a sell signal. You put your stop loss and take profit. What comes to be the last swing here. First one, second one. These are still the same zone. And the third one may be here or the last take profit. This is a typical example of if you are going short, if you are going bearish in the market, be it on any forex pairs. So any level of resistance is where you do place your stop loss. Now let's dive into the buy scenario. Now take a look at this. Stop loss goes just below the low made by the market just prior to the buy signal. This area similarly explained in this sell one. This is the buy scenario, guys. Now for buy trade, you put your stop loss here just below the level of support. Same thing, level of support. So but little bit below the level of support. Don't make it so tight here, little bit below. Now if you place your stop loss here, your take profit will do will be the last will be this last previous swing here. The same thing applicable to here, as I explained it before about on the sell pattern. Take profit should be here or here. So the same thing here. So on this buy scenario, we have low, higher low, higher low. So we have a low here, higher low, another higher low here too. So the market is what is bullish in nature. So even if you use your trend line, guys, it's, you can also have a way of getting your own signals, guys. Now, I think I've explained it clearly for you guys to understand about using support and resistance area to place your to place your stop loss and also put your take profit. Support area, put your stop loss a little bit away from the support area. Buy signal, your take profit should be here. You get up from the market. This one again here, boom, a buy signal. You enter a trade, you have a little drawdown. Your take profit should be what? This swing high here, and the market hits it. Then another buy scenario, this one here. For example, if this one is a buy signal and you enter trade and put your stop loss here, basically this will take you out. So if you win 2 trades and you lose 1, you are still in good trends, guys. So that is a typical example of how you can enter trade. And if you want to enter, you make sure you have there's a PD arrays in these areas. This will be in the next lecture. Alright, this is the typical example of how you can place your top stop loss using resistance and support areas. Okay, I think I'm done for now, and we're going to dive into another lecture too. And I want to make it short so you will be able to understand and follow it clearly. Alright, this is your boy Zagatech FX. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, click on the bell icon. Anytime the video comes in, you can be able to get little knowledge and refresh your brain. We'll learn together, we'll grow together, we'll make money in financial market together. Thank you guys, and God bless you. Signing off. Peace.